Hey guys, what's going on? Just want to tell you a little bit about a snack that I recently just purchased when I was at the grocery store. They are Quaker apple cinnamon rice crisps. I purchased 3 of these. So I purchased of course, the apple cinnamon, and I also got cheddar and sweet. It was like a sweet and chili, I think it was called. And they were excellent. And I just opened this one, and it is my absolute favorite out of the 3. And I thought when I saw this in the store, I was like, oh, apple cinnamon, that's perfect because, it's perfect for the fall. Apple cinnamon just goes kind of hand in hand with that. And they are absolutely delicious, guys. Just want to take one out and show you guys. Oh, maybe I should take one out that's not broken, but me and my husband did damage to this bag because we love it. So this is what they look like. You'd see like the nice cinnamon on top of here, ingrained in the rice cakes. They are delicious and super, super crunchy. They are gluten-free. I have 11 grams of whole grains per serving and no high fructose corn syrup, which is good for you and good for your kids if you're feeding this to them as a snack. It's a new look, same great taste. So I guess this is my first time trying the apple cinnamon flavor actually. I've tried, of course, like Quaker rice cakes, the plain ones and the chocolate ones I purchase all the time, but I just wanted to try something new, and these are absolutely delicious. So these are like the mini ones. I also got the bigger one that you can purchase too. This has 120 calories per serving, 0 grams of saturated fat, 85 milligrams of sodium, and 8 grams of sugars per serving. It's an enlarged image to show you what it looks like. Looks exactly the same, huh? Just maybe the color's a little bit off. Net weight is 3.52 ounces, 100 grams. Okay. So, here on the back, Quaker nutrition facts about 3.5 servings per container. Serving size is 13 pieces. Calories 120. Total fat 0.5 grams. Saturated fat 0 grams. Trans fat 0 grams. Polyunsaturated fat 0 grams. Monounsaturated fat 0 grams. Cholesterol 0 milligrams. Sodium 85 milligrams. Total carbohydrate 27 grams. Dietary fiber less than 1 gram. Total sugars 8 grams. Includes 8 grams of added sugars. Protein 1 gram. Vitamin D 0%, calcium 0, iron 0.4 milligrams, potassium 50 milligrams. Okay, I'm going to go down a little bit. Ingredients: whole grain brown rice flour, sugar, germinated milled corn, corn maltodextrin, natural flavor, salt, cinnamon, sunflower oil, soy lecithin, sucralose, which is like a sweetener, potassium, tofural's preservative, and contains soy ingredients. Distributed by the Quaker Oats Company, Chicago, Illinois, USA. And if you have questions or comments, that's where you could call. Best before February 25th, 2019. But I dare you to not finish this within the week you open it because it's so delicious. This is the purchase seal. Do not heat it in toaster or microwave, which I'm glad I read that because with their bigger rice cakes, because they have the bigger sizes, I always would stick them in the toaster oven and then put peanut butter on the plain ones. I didn't know we weren't supposed to do that, so I'm kind of glad I read it. And then on this side of the bag, it says it has 11 grams of whole grains per serving, low cholesterol per serving, no high fructose corn syrup, no artificial flavors, popped, never fried, full of flavor, full of crunch, made with corn and whole grain brown rice, a convenient on-the-go snack. I definitely agree with that. I'm like a snack queen. I always bring like snacks with me, like leave them in the car, more so in the winter because if it's something in the summer that can like melt, like I've left granola bars in my car, they melted, it was horrible. So in the winter and fall, like, when it's not hot out, I leave snacks in my car, but you could leave these in your desk drawer. I think these are definitely something great that you can give your kids because they're like a healthier snack. It's not like giving them potato chips. Like because they're popped and they're not fried. So that makes me feel better about eating them too. And Quaker is a great company. They've been around forever. I can't tell you enough how delicious I think these apple cinnamon rice crisps are. I just didn't finish the bag specifically so I could do the video to show you guys and tell you a little bit about it. I think you should definitely try these out, especially for the fall. Have them with a cup of tea, some water, whatever. I had them this morning with my coffee and yogurt. Quaker apple cinnamon rice crisps. I hope you guys try it and I hope you love it. Thank you.